Hi, I'm happy to welcome you all to the today's English class. And in the today's English class, we are going to concentrate on a grammar topic. In the yesterday's English class, we were discussing about adjectives and I explained you some kinds of adjectives in the yesterday's class. They are possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, qualitative adjectives and quantitative adjectives. You know it very well. An adjective is a word that describes the noun or pronoun. It is a describing word. It describes or modifies the noun or pronoun. In yesterday's class, we have learned 4 kinds of adjectives. And in today's class, we are going to add one more kind to the list. And that is interrogative adjectives. And totally we have 5 kinds of adjectives. In the previous class, I told you we have to find adjectives by asking the questions. But here, we are going to use the adjectives to ask the question. Those kinds of adjectives are called as the interrogative adjectives. And in English, we have only 3 interrogative adjectives. We should be very careful in using interrogative adjectives because there is a rule. If we are using interrogative adjectives, it must followed by a noun. Interrogative adjective plus noun. In the yesterday's class, I asked you to find out the adjective by asking the question. But in the today's class, we are going to find the question. That is the adjective in this class. And here, I told you we have 3 adjectives in our list in English. They are whose, what, which. These 3 are the interrogative adjectives in English. We don't have any other words. Only 3 interrogative adjectives. And there is a rule that interrogative adjectives should be followed by a noun. If there is no noun after the interrogative adjective, then that is not an interrogative adjective. Keep it in your mind. Don't forget it. And we have whose, what and which. 3 interrogative adjectives. Okay, let us find those interrogative adjectives in the examples given. The first example, which is yours. Which is yours. Which, yes, it's one of the interrogative adjectives, but here there is a rule. We should stick to the rule. The rule is interrogative adjectives should be followed by a noun. And here, which, next to which, no noun. So here, which is not an interrogative adjective. The sentence is right, but which is not an interrogative adjective in this sentence. Let's move to the second sentence. The second sentence, which cat is yours? Which cat? Yes, we have which plus noun, cat. Which cat is yours? This is an interrogative adjective. Which cat? Whose lunchbox is left on the table? Whose lunchbox is left on the table? Whose? Yes, it's an interrogative adjective, but we have to be stuck to the rule. The rule here is interrogative adjective plus noun. We have interrogative adjective whose plus noun, lunchbox. Lunchbox is a noun. Yes, the rule is clear and it's correct. The third one, what is the time now? What is the time now? What is it's in the interrogative adjective, but the rule, it must be followed by a noun, but there is no noun here. What is the time now? No, here what is not an interrogative adjective. Next, what time does your watch show? What time does your watch show? And what time? What plus noun, interrogative adjective plus noun, it's correct. The next one, which kind of cake do you prefer? Which kind of cake do you prefer? Which, interrogative adjective followed by a noun. Which kind of cake? Which kind of cake? Which plus Now, yes, it's an interrogative adjective. Clear? Next, the last one. Whose name is at the bottom of the list? The word whose, interrogative adjective, it followed by a noun whose name is at the bottom of the list. I hope you have understood well. These are the interrogative adjectives in English. That's the end of our today's class. Thank you for watching this video.